Hey, what's up everybody? Nola Deech here, and I'm coming to you from City Park. My son and I came out here because we wanted to hop in a kayak. There's some kind of weird statue hanging over there. There's all kinds of weird art installations here in the park. Deej, say hi.
Hey.
I was like, I saw him this week and he had hair.
Not entirely sure what that is, but it looks like some kind of a lighthouse or something, maybe? I don't know. It's just, isn't it awesome out here? So pretty. Just beautiful. I love this. I just wish I couldn't see cars. You having fun, bud?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, check it out. There's some turtles over there. I wonder if they're teenagers, or mutants, or ninjas.
Wait, am I doing it wrong?
No, you're doing fine. Go. Just hold on to that thing good and tight.
It's getting all over me. It's getting all over my
We're just kind of going in circles, but we're headed for those trees right there. Try to turn us. Turn us right. You gotta turn your paddle around. There you go. You keep doing that side. Turn us a little more. Keep going. You're doing good, man. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Shaking your tail feathers? And I think this is left over from the Christmas lights display they had in the park called Celebration in the Oaks. What are you doing? You putting your hand in the water?
Wait, is this stuff full of water?
What?
Is this stuff full of water?
Probably.
Really?
Well, yeah. Where do you think they go? Bathroom? So I don't know if you can see here too well, but there is all kinds of gum plastered to the walls underneath these bridges. I guess over time, people that have ridden by in these little canoes and kayaks have plastered their gum as a memorial to what they were chewing that day. Gross. I feel like we're in the scene from Hitchcock's The Birds. Getting a little worried that they'll come over here and attack us. What a gorgeous view. I think the lake sprung a leak. There's the New Orleans Museum of Art. Well, how was that, buddy?
Fun.
Yeah, it was fun?
Yeah.
You had a good time?
Yeah.
All right. These guys look like they're struggling a little bit with this four-seater bike car thing. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed a little land yap from these two hoodats. We'll pass a good time.